Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a silk press tutorial. First things first, I'm going to be using my heat protectant and my heat serum, and then I'm going to rake that all through my hair. Now I'm going to section off my hair just so it makes it a little bit easier when I'm blow drying. The blow dryer that I use is the Taishi Typhoon, and it gets my hair pretty straight. So yeah, I'm just going in sections, and I usually section my hair in about 4 quadrants, and I start from the ends to the top. So this is my hair all blow dried out. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to use my flat iron, and you can use any flat iron that works best for your hair. Mine's is just a Remington. Basically what I do is just section a piece of my hair, and then I'll go over my roots a few times, and I'll take a rat tail comb. Yes, I'll just take a rat tail comb, and then I'll just rake it through my hair underneath the flat iron and press it all the way out into the ends. And I'll repeat this process all over my head. I usually take about it depends on how I'm feeling. So sometimes I'll take big pieces, big chunks of my hair, but if I want a super flat silk press, I'll take smaller sections. Be careful around your edges. My edges, oh my god, I don't want to talk about it. But anyway, just be careful around the perimeter of your hair. A lot of people ask me what heat setting I use, and y'all gonna kill me when I say this, but I use 450. Do what works for your hair. My hair can't handle it. Yeah, just do what works for you. I like my silk press to be bone straight and very silky, so that's why I do that. But make sure your hair is heat trained and you use a good heat protector. So I didn't know how I want to wear my hair, but as you can see, my hair is very silky and the luster is amazing. Sorry, I just had to say that. But usually I part my hair down the middle, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, thank you girls for watching, and I will see you in my next video.